Karan Johar's Dharma production is set to debut in Malayalam cinema with Odiyan, starring Prithviraj Sukumaran, directed by Rahul Sadasivan. The plot details stay guarded except Sadasivan's signature style, minimal sound and maximal atmosphere, with horror rooted in culture. I think curses pass through generations, rituals go wrong, and landscapes that feels alive. Now, before Sadasivan's deep dive into Kerala's folklore and fear, here are his 4 films you should definitely watch before going for Odiyal. Number 4 is Red Rain. Released in the year 2013, this is Rahul's directorial debut, a sci-fi thriller that marked his entry into Malayalam cinema, blending mystery with genre storytelling and establishing his command over atmosphere and tension. Red Rain follows Jay, a young researcher investigating blood rain and unexpected cattle deaths. Since the events are linked to extraterrestrial life form, Jay and his European colleague uncover an alien presence on Earth. Interesting, right? Well, you can watch this on Amazon Prime, Sun Next, and Airtel Extreme Play. Number 3, we have Bhootkalam, released in the year 2022. This is a critically acclaimed psychological horror film starring Revati and Shane Nigam. It explores grief, mental health, and generational trauma in a claustrophobic household. The story follows a clinically depressed mother, Asha, and her unemployed son Veenu, who live together and care for their bedridden grandmother. Following the grandmother's death, the duo experience eerie and unexplained paranormal activities in the house. The film redefined horror in Malayalam by replacing the jump scares with sustained psychological dread. This movie is available on Sony Live in Malayalam language. If you do not know the language, watch this with English subtitles and you will definitely like this. Number 2, we have Brahma Yugam, released in the year 2024, a monochrome folk horror landmark rooted in Kerala folklore. Led by Mammootty, it uses stark black and white visual, minimal sound design to craft a mythic, unsettling tale of power, servitude, and ancient evil. The film is an atmospheric tale of a man who escapes one form of slavery only to find himself trapped in a supernatural one. The film is widely praised for its craft and cultural authenticity. You can binge this on Sony Live. Number 1, we have Dai Zirai, released in the year 2025, suspense-driven atmospheric horror thriller starring Pranav Mohanlal. Story starts with a wealthy, apathetic architect named Rohan. When his former classmate Kani dies by suicide after he casually ghosts her, Rohan unknowingly pockets her hair clip from her room, triggering a series of paranormal activities and disturbance. Known for its slow burn tension and narrative, the film continues Sadasivan's exploration of horror as psychological and inherent, not just supernatural. You can stream this on Jio Hotstar. For Rahul, horror isn't about ghosts. It's about inheritance, it's about mental weight, it's about the silence before something breaks. Like in Bhootkalam, the past, it was trauma inside the house. Brahma Yugam, the age of madness, it is power and folklore shot in black and white. In Dai Zirai, the day of wrath, it's suspense in the form of slow poison. With Odiyan or Odiyati, the age of illusion, he continues his thesis, like real horror is psychological and folklorish. Crawls under your skin because it feels local, lived in, and inescapable. Now it's a good decision for Dharma Productions to make their debut in Malayalam cinema. As Prithviraj said, people should come in Malayalam cinema and change nothing. Instead, learn something. Sadasivan's film feels different. Odiyati or Odiyan won't follow any trends. It will remind global audience that why Malayalam horror feels different. It's patient, rooted, and unafraid to let folklore breathe. Odiyati is not coming to scare you for seconds. It's coming to haunt you for days. I'm super excited for this film. Are you? If yes, then let me know in the comment section. And for more such videos, follow me.